Okay, today we are at 2123 North Wahsatch Ave. We just did a spot repair on the sanitary service line. You can see the back of the house here. We replaced approximately 10 feet of PVC pipe. There was a large gaping hole in the bottom of the Orangeburg line. We did get that out and we were able to put a stick of PVC in to get the sewer working again. The remainder of the pipe beyond the PVC is Orangeburg. It's approximately 120 feet left in the line. That pipe will need to be replaced as well. I am going to give you a shot of the sewer line running out to the main. Okay, right now we are sitting into the city main. This is in the alley behind the house. We were looking into a clay tile tap here. As you can see, I'm going to pull back and give you another view. As you can see, as I pulled through, now we're back into the Orangeburg pipe. All this service line is just as old and needs to be replaced as well. The service line will be flowing for now if homeowner keeps on top of regular maintenance. Sewer line will need to be cleaned out twice a year. Hydro jetting service will damage the line. Not applicable on this pipe.